If your Samsung refrigerator is making noises or not cooling efficiently, the fan motor could be the culprit. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances, it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or turning off the breaker unless live voltage testing is necessary. We're going to test using the wires found in the main control. Remove the screws securing the control access panel and set the panel aside. Locate wire connection CN74 and remove the wire guard if present. Plug the power cord back in. Now, extreme care should always be taken to avoid electric shock. Do not perform live voltage testing unless you are comfortable using a multimeter. Grab your multimeter and set it to volts DC, which looks like a V with the dotted line. After allowing 2 minutes for the automated system check, test from the gray wire at pin 1 to the black wire at pin 3. You should see a voltage reading between 8 to 12 volts DC. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Open the fresh food door and listen for the fan operating. If voltage is present but the fan does not run, the fresh food evaporator fan has failed. If voltage is not present, something else is causing your refrigerator to not cool. Since we found that the fresh food evaporator fan has failed, let's go over how to replace it. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Go into the fresh food compartment and remove all shelves and crisper bins. Locate the crisper shelf and press in on the 2 locking tabs while lifting the front of the shelf. Once the front is lifted off the filter housing, pull the shelf forward and remove it. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screw cover near the top of the shelf rail on the evaporator cover. Remove the screws securing the evaporator cover, then carefully separate the cover from the liner. Remove the evaporator cover and disconnect the wire harness from the liner. Set the evaporator cover face down on a protected surface. Remove the screws securing the fan cover. Disconnect the wires from the retaining hooks on the fan cover, then lift the cover off. Here's the old evaporator fan and here's a new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the fan into the evaporator cover and secure it with the mounting screws. Set the fan cover in place, feeding the wire harness through the harness slot. Secure the fan cover with the screws and route the wires back into the retaining hooks. Reconnect the fan wires to the refrigerator wall. Press the evaporator cover back into position and secure it with the screws that were removed. Reinstall the top rail cover. Install the crisper shelf and press the water filter housing up to lock it into place. Reinstall the shelves and bins. Move to the main control area and secure the access panel in place. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. With that, the repair is complete. Great job tackling that refrigerator issue. We'd love to hear how your repair experience went, so feel free to share your story in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you discover you need a new fan motor, just grab your refrigerator's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you'll have your fridge running smoothly in no time. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through your repair journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.